Hi. I could probably do a picture from this side. Hi. Thank you. It's moving.
Maddy, is it moving?
Oh, yeah.
What does the dinosaur say, Maddy?
Hi.
What does the dinosaur say? Does he go roar? Whoa. Hi, dinosaurs. Look at this one, Maddy. Look at this one over here. Look. Look at it. He's moving. Oh, Maddy, look. Look at all these dinosaurs. Whoa.
There's one over here. Can't really see it.
Yeah. Oh, look at his little babies. Look at his little babies. Yeah. Do you like those dinosaurs?
Yeah.
What do you think, dogs?
They're moving. That's right. Yeah, they're moving. Is that just so cool? Uh-huh, they're moving. Are they real?
Oh, look at that one, Maddy.
Oh, look, he's a
About the back.
stegosaurus. Stegosaurus. Oh, look at this big one. Look, Maddy, look. Look. Look at that big one. Whoa. Is he so big? Yeah. He's moving. What kind of dinosaur is that, Maddy? Is that a triceratops? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, look behind you. There's gonna be babies. Look. Look at those babies. Oh gosh, it's the babies. Yeah, he's moving too. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.